Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy event of the week. Each week our staff of analysts and educators tries to provide you a better understanding of a major market event scheduled soon, and that will have an effect on the global markets. Markets will be on edge on July 15th as Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen delivers her semi-annual testimony on monetary policy before the House Financial Services Committee. The July 16th hearing will be of critical importance to the financial markets as the Federal Reserve is set to begin raising interest rates at its next meeting. With just 3 meetings left on the 2015 calendar, investors are hoping to get some precise commitment from Yellen before the July FOMC meeting. She will appear before the Senate Banking Committee the next day, July 16, according to committee press releases. The Fed chairwoman appears before 2 congressional committees twice a year. Ms. Yellen's last round of testimony came in February. In addition to the economy and the outlook for monetary policy, Ms. Yellen likely will face questions about a 2012 leak of confidential information that is the subject of a committee investigation as well as an open criminal probe. Minutes of the June Fed meeting will be released on July the 8th. And are an increasingly important signalling device for the central bank as liftoff approaches, as they are likely to reveal the contours of the Fed's discussion about rates. The April minutes provided the key clue for the June meeting. Many participants thought it unlikely that the data available in June would provide sufficient confirmation that the conditions for raising the target range for the federal funds rate had been satisfied. Minutes from the June meeting, likewise, are likely to set the tone for the July and September meetings, when Yellen begins 2 days of testimony before Congress. She will start out before the House Financial Services Committee. By then, she will be armed with more information on the economy's performance, including that earlier jobs report, and could provide the next big clues on where the Fed is heading. Much of her first day before combative House Republicans will likely be consumed in questions from lawmakers on ongoing investigations into leaks from the Fed. It'll be a test of her composure. Because Ms. Yellen is not attending the Fed's annual retreat in Jackson Hole, Wyoming in August, it'll also be one of her key moments in the spotlight this summer.